Hey guys, how you doing? Ron Raymond here from the Raymond Report with your NBA playoff preview and prediction on tonight's game between the LA Clippers and the Dallas Mavericks. It is Friday, January 4th. Hope you have yourself a good start to your weekend. As always, don't forget, subscribe to our channel by tapping that notification bell in the top right-hand corner or hit the subscribe button below this video if you are watching on a mobile device. Today's podcast brought to you by bballpicks.com. Anybody can play, anybody can join, and you can follow my picks each and every day right here at bballpicks.com. All right, let's go to the game between the Clippers and the Dallas Mavericks. Now, Dallas, a 3-2 lead in this series, can close it off here tonight, and they are going to be a 3-point home underdog in this spot. The over-under is set at 216. ATS forecast, the computer pick, sees a Game 7 coming our way. 109.8, 106.3, favoring the LA Clippers. The over-under at 216.16. So I do agree with the computer pick. I do like the Clippers in this spot here tonight. Now, LA 4-6 in their last 10, 4-6 to the under, where the Dallas Mavericks are 6-4 straight up, 5-5 against the number, 7-3 to the over. My line on this game, I had the LA Clippers at minus 5.95, and you can see we're getting 3, so we're getting good value tonight on the LA Clippers. But you're also getting good value if you do like the Dallas Mavericks. I had them at minus 1.9, and you are getting plus 3. So good value here if you are on the Mavericks side of the fence. And the chance of winning the game straight up does favor LA at 83.3, and for the Dallas Mavericks at 36.8. The chance of covering the spread, however, does lean towards Dallas at 58% compared to 39% for the Clippers. And the Kogel, the chance of this game going over the total tonight is at 59%, meaning a 41% chance of this game going under the total. Now, looking at some of these numbers here, for the Dallas Mavericks, when they're at home against a team that has a 60% win percentage or higher, the under is 8-3 at home for Dallas this season. And you know what? The Clippers have played well in Dallas. They're 8-2 straight up and against the number in their last 10 games in Dallas. And check this out. I got a league system trend. Now, this is not just LA Clippers. Any NBA road team this year is coming off a game where they scored 100 points for on offense in their last game. They are 17-4 against the spread in their next game. Give me the LA Clippers minus 3 here tonight against the Dallas Mavericks. In fact, check the money line. If the money line is like 150 or lower, I probably play the money line, get rid of all this spread stuff. Don't have to sweat the last minute, and just probably play the money line. But yeah, I'm on the Clippers tonight, minus 3. And again, you can follow my picks each and every day right here at bballpicks.com. Or if you're interested in my premium picks, my best bets, go to picks, go to Ron Raymond, and you can get my top plays, my best bets each and every day right here at atsstats.com. Cheers.